Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're already in the app, so start by confirming the correct account and opening your profile. Once there, tap the top right menu and choose your activity. This central hub organizes what Instagram stores about your actions. You'll see clear categories like interactions, recent searches, and account history. Each holds different time-stamped entries. Make sure to scan the headings first to know where your specific history lives. This first move gets you into the exact menu you'll use for every deeper lookup and export. Once inside your activity, tap Interactions to see likes, comments, story replies, and other engagement records. This helps you trace what you've done and when. Next, open Account History to review profile edits, password changes, and connected emails or phone numbers. It explains who changed what and when. Then inspect Recent Searches to clear or revisit queries. These are stored locally and influence suggested content. Make sure to scroll each list fully and use the filters or date ranges when available to narrow results. To finish, export or manage your records. Go Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Download data to request a copy of your account history. Expect an email link within hours. If you just want to tidy up, clear recent searches, or remove individual interaction entries where allowed. For login and device details, open Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Login Activity. If something's missing or broken, update the app, retry on a stable network, and make sure you're in the right account. These steps solve most issues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.